What's up, YouTube? Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning. It's a beautiful Saturday here in Tulsa. I'm about to pull up to a new customer's house to clean out some gutters. I love these new customers and the new job because usually when you do a good job, they have other things in mind they want you to do. They're just kind of testing you to see if you do good work for them, if you show up on time. And usually when you do a good job, they'll let you know, hey, I have something else for you. So, and I have just arrived. So yeah, I'll be cleaning out gutters for this new customer today. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. You want to be aware of the shingles and taking care of the gutters. And I don't like to lay my ladder directly on the gutters. I bought a stabilizer, and right above the gutters where the roof is, I put my stabilizer against the roof, so I avoid putting my weight on the gutters because you don't want to damage that. So and a lot of gutters here don't really have a lot of leaves and sticks in them. It's mostly just like dirt and all the little pieces from the roof, that all the grains that come down from the roof, and mud and that kind of pack together and accumulate, and it's really hard to hand pick that out. You can't use a blower. So what I do is I use my ball valve, and I brought my smaller pressure washer today, and I just lightly just spray everything down to the downspout. So, and that's worked really good for me. You have to be aware of the shingles, not to hit that with the high pressure. So I usually turn down my pressure washer a little bit and just use my ball valve, and it's saved me a lot of time. It's easy. So I'll kind of show you guys how I do that, but you always want to be aware of taking care of their shingles and making sure you don't have a lot of weight on the gutters. So I just try to avoid leaning my ladder against that. So like I said, I love these new customers. I love doing these little jobs. They usually lead to bigger jobs, and it's a great way to build a book of business. So I'm gonna go talk to the customer, let them know I'm here, and get started, and I'll show you guys my process. So stay tuned. Ladder set up. There's the stabilizer against the roof. See, I'm avoiding the gutter there. Got my ball valve on, so I'll crank my pressure washer, grab that on the way up, and luckily on this roof I'll be able to walk all the way around. So, and I'll just spray everything down to the downspout, spray it out, do the same thing on this side. So I'll show you all when I get up there. Show you how I'm doing this. You see all that down in there in the gutter? Taking my ball valve and I'm gonna spray it out. So. I just pulled into my driveway. I am finished for the day. No work Sunday, no work Monday. It is Memorial Day weekend. It's time to relax, spend time with the family. I went ahead and cut one of my customers' yards that I do on Mondays. Mowing yards is not one of my services, but she was looking for someone to do it, so I just offered to do it. So I cut 1 yard for one of my customers. But back to the gutter cleaning job. The customer was very happy. She already gave me a good review on my Facebook business page. She mentioned that I showed up 15 minutes early and that I cleaned up after myself and I was very professional. So she told me at the end of the job during our walkthrough that she appreciated me taking the time to clean up my mess. And she said that some companies in the past cleaned out the gutters, but then they left a mess in the yard. So that's just something you're supposed to do. In my opinion, is that should be part of your operation and part of your service is cleaning up after yourself. You know, you don't want to make a mess. Yes, you're there to clean the gutters, but you don't want to clean the gutters and leave, you know, everything inside the gutters on the ground. So, and I'm sure companies do that because they're not getting paid to clean up the mess. They're getting paid to clean out the gutters. But me doing that gave me a good review. She wanted some of my flyers. She was happy. So that means that she'll probably call me again in the future. She asked for my flyers to help promote my business. And she gave me a good review on my Facebook page. If I would have left that mess in her yard, none of that probably would have happened. So that's just a good thing to do. Take care of your customers, you know. Try to leave their house even more clean than how you found it when you got there. So but yeah, I mean, it took me probably 30 minutes to clean the gutters out. I had my pressure washer at one spigot. I climbed up on the roof on one spot of the house, and I was able to just walk around the entire perimeter of the house and just spray all the leaves, debris, mud, everything out of the gutters and wash out the downspouts. And it took me more time to clean up my mess than it did to clean the gutters. So those one-level houses are easy. So, but she was happy. Hope you enjoyed the videos of me cleaning the gutters out. Using your ball valve is just the most efficient way in my opinion, because if you go up there with the blower and there's just a bunch of just caked mud in there that's combined with all the grit from the roof, you're not going to be able to blow all that out. So a pressure washer is about the only way to efficiently do that. So even if it was just leaves, I mean, that's just going to blow the leaves everywhere. So I think using a pressure washer and a ball valve is probably the most efficient way to clean gutters. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and I will catch up with y'all next week.